Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al giving you some information about Charles Hoskinson. Charles has got some good news to tell us. So let's just go ahead and read this post on X. It says, to give you a sense of how big the upcoming bull market is for crypto, we just absorbed a downturn that was larger than the collapse of Luna or FTX and have already nearly recovered. 710 billion in losses and 740,000 traders liquidated in 24 hours. 2025 is crypto's year. Charles really has a lot of authority when he speaks because Charles has been around for quite some time when it comes to crypto. When he first got started in crypto, he was interested in Bitcoin, learned a lot of the aspects of Bitcoin itself. He graduated from the University of Colorado in Boulder with a mathematics degree. This guy is really smart. So he's been involved in crypto for some time. He's one of the co-founders of Ethereum, believe it or not. So he was one of the guys who was looking at the smart contracts and learning how to create a workable Ethereum. And then after Ethereum, he went on to go ahead and co-found Cardano. So Charles is a big time player in the game. So don't forget, Ethereum's market cap is, I think, is number 2 on the whole blockchain, right after Bitcoin. And then I think Cardano, at the moment that this recording is going on, is like number 9. So Cardano's in the top 10. So Charles is very, very, very important, and he's got a lot of good information. Charles is also the founder of Input Output Global Incorporated. So this guy is like big time. So they make cryptos as far as crypto currencies, things of that nature. So this guy is very important. Just in case you're not familiar with Charles Hoskinson, you can look him up, etc. So just that to being said. And so, yeah, I mean, when Charles speaks, he speaks well. So even when he was creating Ethereum, he was concerned about its scalability, and he's also concerned about security. So that's why he wound up going to start Cardano, because he felt like, hey, I can create something that's a little bit more efficient than even Ethereum. So Charles is definitely a big time player in the game, and seems like a really nice guy. Don't know him personally, but seems nice. All right, so let's look a little bit more at the actual article that's written about him as well. So, and this is, I see this on CoinGate. And so let's look at, it says, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson says the 2025 is crypto's year, and here's why. So they're basically giving us a breakdown of why he would say that it was bullish. So right here is talking about billions were wiped from the crypto market. But it says, as Charles indicated, the crypto market shows strength in how quickly it reversed following the agreement between the U.S., Canada, and Mexico to halt these tariffs for 1 month. So the Bitcoin price, which had dropped as low as 91,000, is quickly rebounding, and it's also has reclaimed the $100,000 mark. And of course, I think at the time of this recording, it's a little bit below 100,000, but that's definitely not going to be long. So I'm sure to be right back up there real soon. More information in this particular article talks about several bullish fundamentals support the Cardano founder's claim. Some bullish fundamentals for the crypto market. It says, for instance, Donald Trump's crypto czar, David Sachs, assured that he and his team are evaluating the possibility of creating a Bitcoin reserve. So we still haven't lost that. Crypto market will also gain regulatory clarity, as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has set up the crypto task force, and talks about the task force will focus on clarifying the application of federal securities laws to the digital asset industry. I have been waiting on that myself personally for a while, clarifying the securities. What's a security? What's not a security? What's a commodity? So we definitely need that information. Also, it's talking about Ripple CEO. Also recently commented how Sachs and his team are committing to pass the Genius bill as well, and talks about how Senator Haggerty's Genius bill is aimed at regulating stable coins in the U.S. So a lot of great things are happening. And one last thing in this particular article talks about the technical perspective. So it says from the technical perspective, the crypto analysts have backed the Cardano founders' claims as they predicted that the Bitcoin price and ultimately altcoins would rally higher. So crypto analysts like Titan of Crypto have predicted that the Bitcoin price could rally to as high as 160,000 this year. Titan of Crypto recently asserted that the Bitcoin bull market is still intact. Further remarked that as long as BTC holds a monthly close above the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, the bullish trend remains valid. In other words, we're still on the right track. I personally feel that Charles is correct that 2025 is going to be crypto's year. I do understand that because of some of the events that have happened, that we've had a slight delay in the bull market. However, we need to hold on, hold fast, make sure that we get what we need out of this, because if we be patient, I know that we're going to see some big time profits. And I want to mention the fact that there are a lot of whales in the market like BlackRock and several other gigantic companies who've put a lot of money in crypto. So listen, make sure that you are able to ride the wave and get the money this year. I think that if we're patient, then we're going to be able to see the fruit of our labor. So what say you? Give us some comments and tell us how you feel about the upcoming bull market or bear market, or whatever you feel about the markets in general. So do you think we're heading for an upside? I do. But whether you do or not, we just want you to give your comments in the comments section below. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.